Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, original, authentic, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. Accept no cheesy YouTube commentators, impostors, or trolls, or imposters who use my content, my titles, or wearing cat heads. All right, this is Burgh Unboxing, and we have an item here sent to me through Walmart from the BB Toy Store in New Jersey. And they sent me a beanie. And there's no note. I don't think, no note. But this is cool, and I love penguins. So this is a Beanie Baby. I have not gotten a Beanie Baby in years. I'm going to keep the bag so he doesn't get dirty. This is Frigid the Penguin. Wow, this is old. This is from 2000. Let's see what it says about Frigid. They always had tags telling you about the animal. Okay, let's see. Waddling on the slippery ice, Frigid thinks the cold is nice. He jumps into the water below, then does it again. He loves it so. Oh, that's very cute. So we have Frigid the Penguin. I think he's an emperor penguin. I'm not sure. I know there's different kinds of penguins, but he's very cool, very cute, and he's weighted with, I guess that's why they call him beanie bag. He feels like he has little beans inside him. Well, thank you for this. I really appreciate this. I'm going to put him in the bag so that he doesn't get dusty. And look, his arms got folded up. Okay, and we'll put him somewhere. Thank you. Appreciate it. That's very cute. I really like it. All right. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay safe, and I'll have to investigate this toy store. Maybe I can get some toys for Kathy or something, or me. Bye-bye for now.